Well, it's late winter, early spring, and it's time to start thinking about our fruit trees. I'm with Tom Combs from Bonide. Tom, what do we need to know about dormant spraying on our fruit trees?
Well, it's really about what we're going to spray, when we're going to spray, and how we're going to spray. And we've got just a couple products here to try to just simplify the whole process.
Okay.
So let's talk about Dormant Spray, and it's just what it sounds like. We're spraying product, an insecticide, a fungicide during the dormant season,
Okay.
when the fruit trees have no leaves on it. They're asleep, so to speak. So the when is in the winter months, and the easiest way for me to remember it is 3 holidays: Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Okay. So I say that because those 3 holidays are easy to remember, and if we can spray on and around those 3 holidays with all seasons oil and some form of copper fungicide, we can suppress overwintering insects and disease on our fruit trees.
So, now that we've, applied that during the winter times, is there, today is kind of a rainy, wet, nasty day. Is this a day that we want to kind of do that, or what do we need to be looking for?
I guess a good day to shoot this commercial, but a really bad day to be spraying these products. And we laugh about it, but really seriously, oil, copper fungicide need a good 5 to 6 hours of dry weather, dry surface, until it rains again.
Right.
Okay.
And we don't want a real windy day either, right?
Right. We don't want a windy day because obviously we don't want these sprays, even though they're natural, approved for organic gardening, we don't want them drifting to an unwanted area.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once it's dry and we have a nice dry day in sight, it's never too early to have these on hand. So when we do have that winter opportunity, it's nice to have it and be able to go and apply it.
Exactly. And it's just 2 products: all seasons oil, some form of copper fungicide. They can be sprayed separately, or they can be mixed in one spray tank and sprayed together.
And it looks like you have a couple different methods of being able to spray these.
Yep. And so the first one is our auto mix sprayer. So it comes with a canister, meaning the copper, the all seasons oil can be poured into this.
Okay.
Or you can remove the canister, and on the bottom side of the spray head, or the spray nozzle, has threads, and any of our concentrates will screw onto the spray head. Okay.
Very easy.
So no mix, no fuss. Follow the back of the label for mixing directions, and then just simply set the dial to the arrow on this, and you're off and spraying.
That makes it super easy.
Yep, I like easy.
Right. And then there's also another product that is a ready mix, ready to use if you wanted to just have a small area where you don't need the whole sprayer.
Small is key there. So this is 32 ounce pre-mixed, ready to use nozzle. This is a copper octanonate, so a little bit different form of copper than the one you have. The benefit of this is it can be used indoors on houseplants,
nice,
and as well as outdoors. But again, it's pre-mixed for small application.
Okay. And then, for homeowners that are looking to find this product, where's the best place to go?
So just go to bonide.com, so www.bonide.com. There's a lot of information on our website about these products and others. And then just go to the upper right corner of the homepage, click on the dealer locator, and you can find where these are sold.
Okay. Well, Tom, we appreciate all the information. So make sure you go to Bonide's website, or you can go to gardentime.tv for more information. So, Tom, we appreciate being out here. We look forward to getting our dormant tree sprays treat.
All right.